So now, looking at the last two stanzas, you remember we were easily scaling the volcano. If you look at this line, I got a different color going. Everybody does it, right? And we're moving ahead. So much ahead, so little behind. Once walking up Broadway, you got to ask yourself here, right? How the heck did we go from volcano to Broadway? And we're going to have to ask ourselves, what's the connection? Between volcano and New York. All right. Late at night, both of us a little drunk, ask ourselves, where else did we see drunk, right? Look all the way up to Brandy. And then you start asking yourself, is this volcano ascent metaphorical? And when we look at this hermitage, can this be a small bar? And can this whole thing kind of be metaphor? Metaphor for what, right? Where are we here? Flurries in the air, Christmas trees lining the sidewalk, block after block. Look at this Christmas trees. It almost makes it seem like a hike. The urban is kind of natural in this sense. Is this a connection between the two? We're starting to see we see potholes, right, up here on the volcano, and we see trees on the urban street. So we're starting to see a blend here. We're seeing being drunk. We can definitely be drunk in New York, and we can definitely be drunk in a rural area. At every corner, you kissed me, then the light would change. So they're walking. We have a walk here, and we have climbing earlier, right? So there's starting to be some connections between this section right here, the urban section, you can call it, the New York section, and then we'll put it purple again. Is that the right purple? The volcano section. All right, there's starting to be connections between these two sections. You would have to ask yourself here, what do we have here? What kind of scene is this? Why are we ending? Why end in change? Where else do we see change? Where else do we see movement? And I think this would be a place to explore. Also, how would you describe this relationship?